They told you the law of attraction means thinking about money. They were wrong. It's not about wishing for $1 million and hoping it magically appears. The real law is far more practical, far more powerful, and it has nothing to do with magic. It's about how your focus creates your direction. Attraction is not a mystical force. It is a process of alignment. Think about it. What you focus on repeatedly, day after day, you naturally begin to move toward. It's a simple chain reaction. Repetition builds direction, and direction builds momentum. This isn't about positive thinking alone. It's about dedicated, deliberate attention. A construction worker showing up before dawn. A single mother meticulously preparing her kids for school. An entrepreneur grinding away in a dimly lit office. They aren't just wishing. They're aligning their actions with their focus. They are building momentum, one repetitive action at a time. Now, let's flip that. People unintentionally attract chaos because they rehearse chaos. They spend their days rehearsing doubt. They get lost rehearsing distraction, scrolling through feeds that add no value. They rehearse fear, imagining all the things that could go wrong. And what happens? Their life becomes a perfect reflection of that chaotic rehearsal. They are aligning with disorder, and so disorder is what they get. The mind is a powerful simulator. What you run in the simulation is what you are most likely to execute in reality. Your external world is just a printout of your internal rehearsals. 2. This brings us to the core principle. Attraction is not about wishing. It is about conditioning your attention. Your attention is your most valuable resource. Where you allocate it determines everything. Think of it as asset allocation for your mind. What you consistently think about, you will inevitably start to study. What you study, you naturally improve at. And what you improve at eventually pays you, whether that payment is in the form of money, skill, relationships, or peace of mind. Your attention is the currency you use to purchase your future. A trader doesn't just wish for a good trade. They condition their attention to see patterns in the market. A boxer doesn't wish for a knockout. They condition their attention and their body to execute the perfect punch. So, the formula becomes incredibly simple. If you want wealth, you must study wealth. Not just dream about it, but immerse yourself in understanding how value is created, how systems are built, and how money works. If you want strength, you must train for strength, putting your muscles under tension. If you want freedom, you must build leverage through skills, through systems, through relationships. The mind always follows repetition. Always. And reality, in turn, always follows the mind. It's an unbreakable law of cause and effect, not a vague spiritual concept. The law of attraction is simple, but it is not easy. It demands discipline. Focus shapes your behavior. Your behavior shapes your outcomes. The secret isn't in what you wish for. It's in what you are willing to consistently focus on. The life you have today is the result of your past focus. The life you will have tomorrow is being decided by what you choose to focus on right now. So, choose your focus carefully. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.